Okay guys, so welcome back sa course natin sa part 4 which is talks about your guide to your job application. Today we're gonna be talking about the different online freelancing websites. Kailangan mo tong malaman kasi nga dito ka rin gagawa ng mga profile mo and that dito ka rin mag-apply ng mga jobs. Okay, so ito yung may list ako dito guys. I'm gonna share it with you. I have here a list with over 100 websites that you can sign up. Ang dami talaga. Siguro nasa mga 180 websites na pwede kang mag-apply as and work as an online freelancer. So, nakaka-categorize na sila lahat, guys. So, if you want to create, ito yung mga legit na freelancing platforms. Lagay ko siya ng legit kasi ang dami ding mga tao naka-experience na binayaran talaga sila ng platform na to. And I do believe na dito sa baba is mga legit din. But, isa-isa na natin yan kung may time pa. So, if you want to again, I'm gonna be sharing this with you. So, sa link, makita natin yung link dyan. Pwede nyo ito ma-view. And then, anyone with the link can view. So, I can just share this to you. And, so, ang gawin natin is, if you want to click on this one sa Upwork, i-click mo lang tong Upwork. And then, once ma-click mo yan, it will go directly sa website. So, ang gawin mo is to sign up na lang. Dyan. Okay, and then create yung naalala nyo pa yung email address na yung how to have an effective na email address, dito mo ilagay, dito mo i-sign up, and then you can just simply follow through kung ano bang requirement ng Upwork na to or kung ano bang requirement ng mga website natin. So, ang daming website guys. You can go to Fiverr, you can go to guru.com. If you try to go to guru.com, i-click mo lang yung link and then sign up. Sign up ka dyan. Then yung email mo, I want you to create an account sa lahat ng mga websites na available dito. And dito sa online jobs, may outdesk.com, may Outsourcely, may Hubstaff, may Workana. Dami talaga guys. So, what are you going to do is, freelancers. So, work as a freelancer. So, mag-sign up lang kayo dito isa-isa guys. Yan, ang dami talaga. So, sign up mo na yung email mo na dyan. And then, yun, kung gusto mo sa designing platform, nandito rin mga 99 Designs, 99designs.com. Okay, ito yung example ng mga websites nila guys. Kung designer ka, pwede kang mag-create ng account dito. So, yan ang mga designing ng mga website. Yan. So, mga transcription na platform, pwede ka rin pumunta dito isa-isa. So, yan guys, hindi na kayo mahirapan. When I started out working as a virtual assistant, ang hirap talaga sa akin kasi ang alam ko lang ng website is yung upwork.com tsaka online jobs. Ngayon, ang dami ng website guys. So, I think mas higher yung chance mo na ma-hire ka kasi nga ang daming freelancing websites ngayon eh. So, yan. So, i-share ko to sa inyo guys. And kung gusto niyo yung mga data entry jobs, nandito rin. Yung mga typing jobs. Grabe. You're so blessed to have this while you're just starting out, right? So ang dami talaga. So kung gusto niyo ring mag-online teaching, andito rin ang mga website nila, yung mga 51 Talk. Yon, I think you're familiar with this. So if you're going to click that one, naka-ready na yan ng link guys. So you can just simply click on it and then you're just a half step away for your creating your online profile here as well. So, yan. Ang dami guys. So, I'm just gonna be sharing this with you guys. And I hope na makatulong to sa inyo. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. And see you on my next video.